Father Bolmax, who has joined us today for the protest. Father, thank you so much for coming down and showing your support, because it's very important, because you all are the influences of Goa, and coming down and showing your support is excellent. Father, I believe you're holding a beautiful peace walk on the 2nd of October. Please tell us more about it and let us know how we can participate.
Yeah, first of all, this is for Goa, and we need to save Goa. It is now or never. If we don't do it today, then it is gone. Today means, okay, now is the time. And on 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, it is the International Day of Non-Violence. So let us be non-violent. We can give the message being violent also, shouting slogans also, but we can also do it in a peaceful manner. And if the peaceful voices are heard, then we are the winners. And if the peaceful voices are not heard, then perhaps we have to take other measures also, which we will have to. आमचे गोंय जरी तर राखतले जाल्यार आमी उलोवपाक जाय, आमी भायर सरपाक जाय, आनी ना जाल्यार आमी फकत घरान भितर रावन रडपाक पडटलें. ह्या पासत एक दीस रस्त्यार तरी येवपाक जाय. तर रस्त्यार येता आसतना भिवपाची गरज ना, कित्याक आमचेर लाठी पडपाची ना, आमी कोणाचेर बोवाळ मारिना, पूण शांततायेन आमी चलता. सो 2 तारखेर आमी चिंतलें, लेट अस वॉक, because entire Goa needs to be saved. So north to south it is too long, 105 kilometers मातशें चड जाता. East to west covering Goa is 70 kilometers. And right now the big problems that are facing, and Goa is going to get destroyed if this east to west is not taken care of. That is from Vasco to Mole, because double track is supposed to be going from west to east. Coal is supposed to be transported from west to east and then further, which is going to affect entire Goa. And that is why this simple idea, okay, let's be peaceful on this day, let us walk, but entire distance we might not be able to walk. And you need not walk the entire distance. Anytime anyone, खंयचोय कोणूय गोंयकार जेका गोंयचो मोग आहा, गोंयचे पासत शांतीन चलपाक यो, मातसो इल्लोसो वगत आख्ख्या रुटाक, starting at 5 o'clock from Mole, the walkers will reach around 6 o'clock to Vasco. ह्या आख्ख्या रुटान तुमी खंयच्याय वक्तार भितर सरपाक जाता, तुमी कांसार जालीं जाल्यार भायर बसपाक जाता, or परतूनय वचपाक जाता. Besides that, if you cannot come on this day to this place, ह्या रुटार from Mole to Vasco, no problem. Wherever you are part of this. Just walk around your house maybe, or in your ward, gather some people, walk together. No need to shout slogans, nothing. No need to organize anything. Just a walk for Goa. Just a walk for peace in Goa. Just a walk for solidarity in Goa.
Very true, Father.
I जायते group जाल्ले आहा.
Oh, yeah.
Each one is holding it one different type of protest, and perhaps that is our weakness, because we are protesting differently. आमी पयस रावन हें करता. We need to come together. Entire Goa, all the groups have to come together.
Very
and
true, Father.
It is my personal appeal to all the groups. Let's not have groups as such. Let us have a movement. Let us have this movement. And on 2nd, it is a humble attempt to start this movement. Of course, the movement is started, but somewhere we are, आमी शिपडलेले आहा, बाराबर येवया. So even if you cannot walk on that day, no problem, walk at your home, get registered, because this event is registered with the global climate change movement. So when you walk anywhere, you are part of this global movement.
Very true.
But register yourself. For registering, you don't need anything, just your name and your email. That is what is required. So the link has been shared.
And I will have it put, Father, on this message also. I'll have the link shared.
Okay, so go to the link and just say, I am attending, I am coming. Even if you cannot come and walk, no problem. Just offer a simple prayer from wherever you are. Offer one simple glass of water when you see somebody walking. Offer maybe a simple clap, a simple appreciation, or a
Very true, Father.
word of solidarity that yes, We are together for peace, we are together for Goa, and we will see that we will win.
And Father, from Kortali, what time are you planning to start from Kortali to
Okay, those
Vasco?
who are walking from Molen, they will reach around 2:30 or so in Kortali. So we intend to give them some rest over there at Kortali, and we begin at 3 o'clock from Kortali and walk through Sankwal, Chikali, and then Vasco. We will end at the Vasco port. Of course, once again, a silent walk. And we have also given a shout out to our elected members. Come, join us, join with your people. We have also called out our police brothers and sisters. They are ours, Goa is ours, Goa is theirs. It belongs to all of us. So all of us are responsible. If this Goa is destroyed by coal, if this Goa and the rivers of Goa are destroyed by these projects that are coming, then you and I will be responsible. And our next generation will curse us.
Very
we don't
true,
want
Father.
to take those curses. We want the blessings of our future generation. Because this entire हे सगळे आख्खें दायज गोंयचें आमी तेंकडे घेतलेलें आहा. It is not that we have inherited from our ancestors. Till now our ancestors had taken care of this beauty. But somewhere development आणि पयशे आणि दूड ह्या सगळ्याच्या बोवाळान we have lost this beauty.
Very true.
And we cannot allow it to lose further. Because
Very
if we lose, then those people from whom we have borrowed this land, they are going to curse us and they are going to stand at that nimno judgment jata nu ती भुरगीं आमचे मुखार आसतले and they will point out that you have not done anything when my Goa was destroyed. So that's why I stand, I call out to each one of you, come, let us stand together, let us be together and save our Goa. And in a special way, I send this message to all the elected members. We are yours, you are ours. Ami sogle barabar. We are not fighting against you. We are not fighting against government. No, let us be very clear. We are not fighting against government because government म्हणटा तो आमचो आमी विचून काडलेले आमचे भाव भयणी ती आणि आमचे पासत विचून काडलेले आहा. So today if you cannot legislate for us, you don't deserve to be where you are.
Very true.
You can come, be with us. आमी तुमचे तुम्ही आमच्या बरोबर यात आणि जरी तर आमी कितें चुकीचें करता जाल्यार feel free to tell us. If you are doing anything wrong, be sure we are going to listen to you. And if you are doing wrong, listen to us also.
Very true. Thank you so much, Father Bolmax. And if you can see, we've got a lot of support from the police today. They are assisting us with the traffic and they've been here right now assisting, and all our volunteers who have come forward to support. Yeah. We have another few more minutes to go before we finish. 15 more minutes, guys. Join in, support. And Father Bolmax, amazing. You're superb. God bless you. Keep you in good health. And we will join you on the 2nd. See you, Father. Thank you.